Welcome back, everyone, to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of winter wear, and I've got something truly special to share with you. Get ready, because we're about to explore the best men's formal winter coat on the market. Introducing the MOERDENG Men's Waterproof Ski Jacket Warm Winter Snow Coat Mountain Windbreaker Hooded Raincoat. This isn't just your ordinary winter coat, it's a game-changer for anyone braving the cold and snow. With its sleek design and top-notch features, it's no wonder why this jacket has become a favorite among winter enthusiasts. First things first, let's talk about protection. This jacket is built to withstand whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Whether you're hitting the slopes, braving icy winds, or simply trekking through a snowstorm, the MOERDENG jacket has got you covered. Thanks to its waterproof and windproof design, you'll stay dry, warm, and comfortable no matter the conditions. But it's not just about protection. This jacket is all about performance. Crafted from high-quality materials, including 100% polyester and a durable inner soft shell, it offers unbeatable heat retention without the bulk. Plus, with adjustable cuffs and a detachable hood, you can customize your fit for maximum comfort. Don't just take my word for it, though. Just listen to what some of the satisfied customers have to say. From its superior warmth and comfort to its stylish design and reliable performance, the MOERDENG jacket has earned rave reviews across the board. And with sizes ranging from S to 2XL, there's a perfect fit for everyone. So, whether you're hitting the slopes, braving the elements, or simply looking to stay warm and stylish this winter, the MOERDENG Men's Waterproof Ski Jacket is the ultimate choice. Don't let the cold weather hold you back any longer. Gear up with the best men's formal winter coat on the market. That's all for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on all your favorite products. Until next time, stay warm, stay stylish, and happy adventuring.